Okay, so this is just a quick video today answering some questions you have asked from the unboxing and first impressions video on this, the new Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. If you haven't seen that video, click the link in the pop-out banner now. I'm still in the process of testing this robot vacuum out and the full review will be out soon. So with that said, let's get some of these questions answered. So the main question I've been asked is, when will it be released around the world? For the US, I've been told the 21st of April. For Europe, the S8 is actually available to order now with the S8 Plus and S8 Pro Ultra available next month also. And for Australia, I've been told pre-sale will start in April, but no exact date was given. Is it worth it over the S7 Max V? I think if you have mainly hard floors, maybe not. The S7 Max V is such a great robot vacuum all round. Viborize 2.0 is an improvement on the S8 Pro Ultra, but you can just do a second or third mop pass with the S7 Max V to give your floors a good mop anyway. The main benefit then of the S8 Pro Ultra is the dual rollers to agitate carpet better, and I'll share more comparisons with the S7 Max V and S8 in my full review video. How well does the mop pad get cleaned and how long does it take to dry? The mop pad cleaning is pretty decent. The dock also keeps the mop pad wet throughout the mopping session, meaning better mopping performance. Of course, it's never going to replace a full mop and bucket scrub clean and isn't really suitable for thick or wet messes, but no robot vacuum mop is. In the app, you have the option to have the dryer run for 2, 3 or 4 hours after mopping. For me, I found 3 hours and the mop pad is dry, and new with the S8 Pro Ultra is dock drying too, so it helps dry any stagnant water in the dock to reduce smells there. Is the mopping module and water tank removable? Unfortunately, both the mopping module and the water tank are non-removable in the S8 Pro. I did ask the question why and was told, according to our user research, the mop module and water tank are barely touched or detached by those customers who bought Roborock Ultra equipped products, thanks to the auto mop washing and auto tank refilling features. Based on this insight, we decided to use an undetachable mop module for the water tank for all products with Roborock Ultra. Next question was, will the S7 series work with the S8 series Ultra dock? As for the S7 Max V working with the dock, I really don't think so. As you can see, the dust extraction area is larger on the S8 dock to cater for the dual brush setup, and that's specific to the S8 series. I've had a couple of people ask about the dimensions of the dock, and Roborock has these published on their website for you to check out. I'll put a link in the description, but check down the bottom of the product page for those dimensions. Can you use Voice Assistant to control the robot? Yep, Voice Assistant is possible with a smart home assistant like Alexa, Google Home or Siri personal shortcuts. How does it handle multiple floors? Well, multiple floors is managed just fine. You just have to pick the robot up and carry it to each floor. Once the clean is done, if it can't find its dock because the dock is on another level, it'll return back to where you first placed it down for you to then pick up and place back on the floor with the dock. It can store up to 4 maps, so up to 4 levels of your home. Another question regarding the regular S8 and will it be compatible with the Ultra dock? If you buy the S8 now, it won't be compatible with this particular Roborock Ultra in the future. The S8 Pro vacuum has charging contacts at the front of the robot that align with contacts in the Roborock Ultra. The standard S8 model vacuum only has charging contacts underneath the robot, meaning it'll only be compatible with the standard charging dock or the new auto empty dock. And what about the different side brush? Yeah, the side brush has gone back to the older design like the S6 series had. Instead of an all rubber design, it's now mostly rubber with a brush at the end of the 3 arms. I don't think it'll scratch floors easily, but if you have particularly soft floors, you might want to be careful with it. Both side brush designs are interchangeable though too, so if you prefer the S7 one, you can always put that on the S8. So that's it for this question and answers videos. Like I said, just a quick one. There are links below with more information on the whole Roborock S8 series vacuums, and if there's anything else in particular you want to know about the S8 Pro, leave a comment below. My full S8 Pro Ultra review will be out in a week or two, so if you want to see that, give the subscribe button a little tickle and I'll see you there.